Saturday vlog. It's really lovely here in London. We are at 18 degrees. It's gonna be 19 or 20 this weekend. We're expecting no rain. Oh my god, we are just dressed the way we want to dress. It's really giving summer vibes, honestly speaking. I can't even see myself in this Gundi and the camera. Beautiful. Just show you around. I'm seeing an ambulance here. I don't know what has happened. Typical weekend. You know what? We're so excited here in London this weekend. You can see it's just giving spring vibes. It's really lovely. You know, I just want to take you on this walk with me so that you can just see around London. Sometimes I don't show people. I'll be like, oh, you're making videos and you're not showing us around. What can I say? It's nice. I love nature. No, that's why I find my therapy. Yeah, so just taking you on a small short walk. Yeah, taking you on a small short walk to show you how this place is good. Yeah. Let's get to the good parts of the walk. At least in this little forest just close by my house. Not far, but this part is usually closed off. It's like a wildlife area, but today is closed off. Today is open. It's usually closed off. So what makes me happy is that at least I've been able to get into this space. And just, yeah, this is how it is. I think there is that little box up there. I think that's where they put food for the birds, because I see some bird species in here. And in this corner, you know, this reminds me of home. At least you can hear the birds singing. And yeah, I'll take you around. There's this other area. It's called Paddington Recreation Ground. This is wildlife garden. Yeah, so it's a wildlife garden. Here there are flowers of different species, and I'm gonna flip the camera for you, giving me summer vibes. I am just in my local park. I'm seated and I'm chilling. It's lovely, it's amazing. I just want to show you that it's just like a campfire area. This is like a wildlife protection place or garden. So I'm just sitting and the sun is hitting my face directly. I love it. This is Paddington Recreational Park. So when you are entering the park, this is the view. There's this roundabout. There's a roundabout or junction here. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to the back and you see how it looks really nice. I think this is gonna give another better view. This is Paddington Recreation Ground. This is wildlife garden. I think they're showing us the wildflower meadow. They say wildflower meadow provide a much richer habitat than short mown grass and are therefore very important for local biodiversity. Meadows need to be managed by cutting at particular times of the year to ensure the maximum variety of species flourish. The type of wildflowers that grow will be dependent on many factors, including the soil type and the local conditions such as sunshine, the shade. A poor quality soil will support a better wildflower meadow than a rich soil, because the more vigorous grasses cannot grow, allowing the wildflowers to flourish without competition. It's good to see. It's good to see. So I came from this other side ahead. Yeah, it's good to learn. These are some of the species here of the plants. They're nice. There is another interesting part. Some of these plant species are really amazing. I think people can have a campfire here if you're a Girl Guide or a Girl Scout. You know, this is lovely. This is cute. This is amazing.